and Indupongyo Ranjani. Next, we're going to invite Ranjani, who's going to present to us another one of India's various classical dances. This one is called Manipuri, and she's going to perform a song about Krishna. Krishna 是印度其中一个神. It's in one of India's gods, Krishna, and he has a female friend called Radha. She's his consort, and the dance shows Radha playing around with her imaginary friends and also celebrating the arrival of Holi. 这首歌里面 Krishna 的女友 Radha 她会庆祝 Holi， 跟她的想象中的一些女友们一起庆祝春天的来临。我们热烈来掌声欢迎 Ranjani. Let's welcome Ranjani.
गिगे तड़ान राधा मुस्कान जाग धाकड़ तक कुंकड़ तक गिगे तड़ान ना दिग 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 ना दिग 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 ना दिग 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 थे दिग दिग ताते तते आते तते थे तत दिन 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 जात जात तट 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 यमुना तट कुंज कुंज भटक भटक धातिट धान धा विरहिनी राधा
सुनल बालिका सुनल बालिका रात कुसुम बालिका सुनल बालिका रात कुसुम बालिका कुंज कुंज फेरनो सखी कुंज कुंज फेरनो सखी श्याम चंद्र लागी रात कुसुम मालिका दुलई कुसुम मुंजरी भ्रवर फिर कुंजरी दुलई कुसुम मुंजरी भ्रवर फिर गुंजरी अलस यमुना बहई जाए ललित गीत गाती रे सुनल बालिका राग कुसुम मालिका
आज खेला भांगर खेला आज खेला भांगर खेला खेल भी आया खेला भांगर खेला সুখের বাসা ভেঙে সুখের বাসা ভেঙে ফেলবি খেলা ভাঙার খেলা আজ খেলা ভাঙার খেলা মিলন বলা রাজবাঁধন তো টুটবে ফাগুন দিনে রাজ স্বপন তো ছুটবে মিলন বলা রাজবাঁধন তো টুটবে ফাগুন দিনে রাজ স্বপন তো ছুটবে উধাও মনেরা উধাও মনের পাখা মিলবি খেলা ভাঙার খেলা আজ খেলা ভাঙার খেলা
Thank you very much, Ranjani. Can we ask you to stay for a few minutes? Very interested in your costume and your motion. So, 我们来访问一下，因为她跳的这个真的很特别，而且非常适合今天的好丽色彩音乐节。The dance that she did just now was so much about holy. So can you show us the hand motion of the pitchkari? 这个动作你们谁可以猜这是什么东西？ Who can guess what this is? It's related to holy. It's related to colored water. Anyone who's not Indian who knows what this is? Okay. 是那个我们玩 holy， 对，就是那个水枪，传统的那种水枪，用这样喷的，就是这个动作。
哪一个人？
没有，是副校长林副校长。
副校长可以去我们马来印度餐厅那边吃饭，我请你吃，谢谢。
哦， 不是，是那个 OIA 的 director， 是
sure,
陈
you are-
两位一起来好了。
Yes， 你们一起来就好了。来试试看
Okay
印度料理，谢谢。
对，然后刚刚那个手掌这样子，然后这样子拨着的话就是粉，泼粉，对，就是 Holy 的歌。然后 How about your costume?
This is traditional Manipuri costume. Manipur is northeastern part of India. It is one of the 7 states of India. 7 sisters, what we call. Now it is 8 eventually. And this is very traditional. They wear it during their wedding.
Okay.
For marriage also.
这是印度东北角的一个邦叫 Manipur， 就是那边的传统服装，就是他们结婚的时候才会这样穿。所以我其实是第一次，我看过 Ranjini 的舞蹈，以前看过，可是我第一次看到她穿这个服装，所以我才要特别来问她。那 Manipur 是印度有一群邦叫做7个姐妹，那 Manipur 就是其中的一个，现在变8个，可是 Manipur 就是其中的一个，很特别。
And if you see this, this is Vaishnavism. This is Vaishnavism because they are the follower of Krishna, Lord Krishna, as Priya talked about. So this is the sign of money. None of the classical dances of India will have this. Can you see this?
在Ranjini 的额头上有看到黄色的这个图案吗？这个是 Vaishnavi 他们这个信徒 Krishna 的信徒才会画上黄色的。一般印度女生你会看到很多会有红的一点嘛，那它的比较特别是还有另外这个黄色。它刚刚现场在后面，就像我们毛笔要磨那个石头有没有？它就那样子磨，然后现场磨现场画。
And the other thing is the characteristics of Manipuri dance, which makes it different from the other forms, is we have distinct lasya, which is female form, and the tanda, which is the male form. So this is the lasya form or the female form, and I usually wear tanda, which
No
is
wonder. OK， 所以刚刚就解答这个谜题，为什么我以前没有看过她穿这个？因为她今天穿的这个是女生，在 Manipuri 这个舞蹈，他们非常分得很清楚，男生跟女生穿的服装。那这个是女生的服装是穿这样子，那平常她穿的是比较这个舞蹈里面的角色是这个男性的角色的服装。
Okay, and the special thing, because I'm not a Manipuri myself, I'm a Bengali. So what I love about them, this costume is you can actually sit. They actually sit for hours like this for wedding.
哇，我们来掌声！
You can actually sit like this for hours together, and the bride actually sits like this.
前面来照吧。
So it's a man-made sofa actually.
是一个特殊的沙发，就是其实可以坐在里面，就像这样子。Ranjini 本身是从孟加拉来，就是我们前面听到那个孟加拉歌谣，可是他很喜欢Manipuri 服装，是这个原因。Can you come out yourself? Awesome， 好厉害 ！I need to get one of these. Great.
Also, please would you like to mention how much it cost if some of our Taiwanese friends wants to buy from
Sure.
India?
The entire cost, whatever I've worn, it's
先讲价钱，重点
it's actually 50,000 NT dollar altogether.
，5万块台币，
50.
5万块台币。
5万块台币，有人要来买吗？
没有，今天没有卖，对不起。
It's
还要
together.
加飞机 ，including the air ticket to India to buy.
Then it adds up. And you actually cannot get it everywhere. You have to get it in Manipur. We have to go down, actually have to go down to Manipur to get all these. No, they're very conservative state. So they don't get
比
it.
较保守的一个邦，所以其他地方买不到，只有一定要去 Manipur 买。所以我们今天有看到 Ranjini 的舞蹈，跟听到这个介绍，真的是有福了。We're very lucky to be able to see it and to learn about it today. Thank
And
you so
I am
much.
so honored to be here. I'm really honored. I was actually waiting for an opportunity to wear and show this to you. This is very unique, and if you see, they don't even show their face. They're so conservative. So
很
you
保守，
cannot,
连那个脸都会遮起来。
so you can, whatever I've done, you cannot see. So I was really waiting for an opportunity. Thank you, Mayurji. And thank you, this University of Course, YZ University, and for giving me this opportunity. It's a great pleasure being here. Thank you so much. 谢谢你，谢谢你。
所以 Ranjini 也非常感谢我们的原知大学，还有马圆圆印度厨房，今天有这个机会，给我们这个机会，能够把这个舞蹈很特别的舞蹈呈现给大家，谢谢。
就是乱撒就对了，还是会分，对，就是乱撒，不管认识不认识就撒。
好，那可能，所以我们今天到目前为止看到了两个舞蹈团，前面是跳 Kathak， 刚刚提到那个也是印度的8种古典舞蹈的其中一个 Kathak 舞。那第二个是看到 Manipuri， 所以8个里面你们已经知道了2个，那以后有机会可以知道更多。接下来呢，我们来一点轻松的，可能大家比较耳熟能详的印度音乐跟舞蹈就是宝莱坞。所以接下来呢，我们要请我们的 RIA 舞蹈团来带来给我们几首印度宝莱坞还有岛莱坞，对不对？有 Bollywood 有 Hindi 的歌曲，还有 Telugu 的歌曲跟舞蹈。Next, we're going to invite RIA Dance Group. This was founded by Miss Ria Chen, who's been learning Indian dance since 2006 and also teaching to her students. They've performed in so many Indian events in Taiwan, and they make their own fusion dance of various Indian movie songs. 所以这是 RIA 舞蹈团，然后他们是从2006年创办的。那 RIA 挥挥手吧，这是团长，他也接很多。你们如果有兴趣学印度宝莱坞舞蹈，可以找 RIA。他们的团已经在非常多的印度节目，在台湾的印度活动都会表演，几乎每一个大学的活动一定会有 RIA 的。那他们也有发明了自己的一种融合的舞蹈的感觉。我们来热烈来掌声欢迎我们的 RIA 舞蹈团。
哪里？我们去哪里？Starting now？ 对。
चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे मेरी मेरी फाइट कलाइयां वे चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे मेरी तेरे किसी आइयां वे चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे मेरी चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे मन जावे मैंने शॉपिंग करा दे मन जावे रोमांटिक पिक्चर दिखा दे रिक्वेस्टा पाइयां वे चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे ओ बेबी मेरी चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे मेरी फाइट कलाइयां वे चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे मेरी तेरे किसी आइयां वे चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे मेरी चिट्टियां कलाइयां वे हेलो हेलो माइक टेस्टिंग सबको नमस्काరం నా సొంత పేరు బంగారం ఒంటి తీరు తగరం పుట్టిందేమో యారం నాకినాడు తీరు తిన్నదేమో గుంటూరు మిర్చి కారం నెలవారు లెక్కుంటది నా వ్యవహారం ఇంగ్లీషులోన దండ పెట్టనెప్పుడు తేట తెలుగులో మీకు వందనం ప్రతిజలేదు ఎప్పుడు నాకు ఇష్టమంట పసుపు సెందనం సెల్ నంబరే లేదు నాకు అసలే డోర్ నంబరే మీకు ఇస్తలే సెంక పాటలే ముట్టనైన ముట్టలే సన్న జాజలంటే సెట్ మోజలే ఏ స్టార్ హోటల్ బొట్టు పెట్టి పిలిచిన దమ దమ కావాలి పరుగు తీస్తలే డిస్కోరు పక్కన ఉడెప్పులెట్టు గుట్టిన ఆమె తూపులోన మేడమెడతలే
ఎందుకు
ఎందుకంటే నేను పక్కా లోకల్ నేను వాడే గాజు ప్రకారం కళ్ళన్ని ఓరమాస లెక్కల నేను పక్కా లోకల్ నేను పక్కా లోకల్ నేను వాడే గాజు ప్రకారం కళ్ళన్ని ఓరమాస లెక్కల నేను పక్కా లోకల్
I would must mention one thing about Ree. She's here. I think she's doing the dance and she has a very wonderful dance group. She's joining Holi with us since 2011, I think, right? 2012. And doesn't matter wherever we do Holi or whoever does Holi, Ree is always there with their group. Thanks for your so much assistance and your wonderful dance, Ree. Thank you very much.
我们要非常感谢这个 Ria 舞蹈团，因为他们陪 Holy 陪了好几年，从2000几 Ria 从2000几开始，2007啦，已经10年了，今年是第10周年。They've been dancing with us for a decade, 1 decade already.
She is dancing from 1 decade, but from the past 5 years, whenever we do Holi with the Taipei city government or everybody,
Yes, she's always
Ree is
there.
there with her group. So I think that is incredible. Thank you.
And she dances Bollywood. She also dances South Indian dances also. 就是 Tamil 的舞蹈，他们也会跳得很厉害。好，那接下来呢，我们要来一点抽奖。大家都有把票根投进我们的摸彩箱吗？都有交回来。那我们现在要进行的是摸彩。We will now have a lucky draw. So if you purchase a ticket and you gave your ticket stub to the people at the desk, your name is in the box. We're going to invite 我们的副校长林副校长上来帮我们抽我们的3位幸运儿，那他们会得到这个印度的纪念品、印度的精美礼物。
Katya, Kudi, give a big hand, please.
那你们可以把票根拿出来看，上面其实有名字，所以没关系。
It's Manish Kumar 670.
That's him.
Manish Kumar, you just won a BMW, please. X6 series. Please come up on the stage and I'm gonna give you a BMW right away.
这是不实广告。
One more person, because the writing is not very clear, so I just is Desire Sugado.
Sugato. Is there anyone named Sugato?
DES, his number is 569. DESIRE, desire, and then it's something like SOLGADO.
Desire. I'm sure we have someone
Desire
named
Sugato.
Desire. Yes, Desire. Come up here. You want a prize.
Desire, your desire is fulfilled already. Please come up on the stage. Just let me know what you want later.
One more. One more.
We have one more Indian here. Wow. Is Sikha Singh. Actually should be Shikha, but here is Sikha Singh. And the number is 652. And she is very beautiful. If you want, I have her phone number also here. So you can write down. Please come up on the stage. Give a big hand for Shikha. Her number is Zilin Chiolio Chanchohala.
好，我们现在请副校长为我们颁奖，可以往前面一点吗？来来来，我们 let's move forward a bit. Congratulations to our 3 winners. We have Desire, Shikha, and Manoj. Photo. Group photo, please.
And all of you 3 winners, please go to Mayur Indian Kitchen. You can have some Indian meal for free also. Thank you very much.
哇，这个奖品加倍，除了刚刚的小礼物，另外也可以到马友友印度厨房去用餐。等一下可以先找马友友签名，不然他会反悔。
不然他不给你那个 BMW 和 Benz。
Get a signature from Mayur before he changes his mind. So in addition to the prizes they just got, they also get a free meal at Mayur Indian Kitchen. And also for the Vice President and also for the OIA Director, right?
I cannot say no to them. I don't dare to say no to them because we need to do Holi again and again and wisely. Yes, they are always welcome. Thank you.
How